Hi, it's April Braswell, and today's BOGO from doTERRA is both Deep Blue Rub and past tense. So I gotta say, I don't know how to do my camera so that the text shows to you well. So that'll be a learning probably by next week or something. So it's gonna be a little backwards, but just go with me. When you buy Deep Blue today, you get the past tense touch. Past tense, I gotta say, I can't remember why I heard of it and bought it back in, I think it was January. And I fell in love with it almost right away. Hi, Ethan. So it is one where this was like I'd only been using the doTERRA oils for a couple of months. And I gotta say that it's one of the things where when it's a new oil, because there are different places you can put the oils on your body where we absorb them systemically really pretty much right away. So one of the first ways one of them is the back of your neck, one of them is on your hands, actually on your palms. You can then also rub and inhale, and one of the other places is the soles of your feet. It's a great place to put some of the hot oils like oregano or things like that when you want to absorb them into your whole system, or someone who's a child, like a very young child, a baby, or your kids, or as well as someone who's on the more mature glory years where you might have skin sensitivity. One of the places I like to use the oil when I first am trying a new oil is I rub it on my wrists. I put it on my wrist and smell and inhale, and oh, how nice. This has wintergreen in it. I gotta say, I put it on my wrist and it was not exactly, it's not floral and pretty and all that I wanted to smell from my wrists. I didn't put a lot on. I just sort of tried it and I was like, I liked the oil, but I didn't want the scent of it emanating from my wrist to my face. So I washed it off and I was like, oh, okay, one of the other places is the back of your neck. So I rolled it on the back of my neck just to absorb it. I gotta let you know a secret. I had no idea. I describe it as, because I put it sort of like rolled along the spinal column there on the back of my neck. Within about 5, 7, definitely within 10 minutes, my whole spinal column, all those little muscles along the side of your spinal column, it's like a mini, I describe it as like a mini chiropractic adjustment. It's just all of those muscles relaxed and just did a little release. It was amazing. So I'm now addicted. I love past tense and I'm getting it fairly regularly now. So I loved that I get to get Deep Blue, which also has amazing attributes that way. It also has wintergreen in it. And they are both awesome for relaxing my spine. I do like them on my spine, but there's more to both of them. And I did a quick little write-up so I can do a little bit of essential oil education. When you buy the Deep Blue oil, the 5 milliliter today, when you get that in your account, and you do want to order it in your own account so you get the points and you get reward points and you get your shipping back free that way the next month. And then you just automatically get the past tense touch. You get it free. It's quite awesome. So it's worth stocking up on when these are oils that you like I do. So with Deep Blue, it releases discomfort as well as emotional discomfort. So the phrase is you become accepting, soothed, transformed, healed, strengthened, serene, and tolerant. Who doesn't want more of that? I like to apply the rub. I really do like the touch, making them like that. I'm going to make a little roller of this myself and use that so it's kind of a little bit easier. I like to apply it also along my spine where I can reach, as well as to my lower back spine, kind of from right under my bra strap and down all along my spine, and a little bit out each side. When you receive an aroma touch session, you get it all along your spine and the areas there on the side. Well, I can't do that right now with our quarantining because of social distancing and keeping safe physically. So I'm doing a little bit of that for myself on me. So you can apply it along your spinal column and it goes in all of your muscles and systems that way super fast in under 10 minutes. And so it's quite awesome. I love to find out not only does it help with the aches and discomforts, but it helps me to become more sort of peacefully. They say tolerant. I think of it as it's that soothed where I'm neutral and peaceful, so therefore I am more tolerant with others and the process that they're going through. So I'm definitely going to make a roller of this so I can use it more consistently. The other thing it does is it helps you to conquer avoiding. Hi Giselle, great to see you. Hello, and Monica. So it helps us to conquer avoidance. I'm going to use more of it. Fear, irrationality, pain. I think that's both emotional pain and our physical aches. Panic, that emotional panic, as well as wounds, it's our emotional wounds. I don't mean a physical wound that way. Inside, the ingredients are blue chamomile, blue tansy, that's why it's blue. Camphor, some of that cooling. The wintergreen are cooling. It also has helichrysum, which is one of those powerhouse sort of on the alarm, so I gotta turn that off. Helichrysum, osmanthus, wintergreen, and then lang lang. So it has that floral blessing as well too. Past tense, we're in love, personally love, is in it. It helps us to be calm, equalized, grateful. I definitely want to use that more often. Grateful, soothed, relaxed. As we're more relaxed, we can be more grateful, can't we? And as we are more grateful, we're often more relaxed. They're definitely interwoven. Releasing, relieved. And with past tense, we conquer burnout, we conquer fatigue, imbalance, nervousness, stress. Okay, excuse me. I'm dealing with major stress every day, so I can definitely use it. Tension and trauma. And that is something that we really are in literally as a nation right now. All of us are living through what is a time of trauma, this kind of stress, everything that's going on. And I'm not wanting to get into politics or anything like that. It's just we're all dealing with some kind of trauma right now with what's going on in quarantining and just everything. So having oils that support our mind, body, spirit really are a blessing. The ingredients include basil, frankincense, yes, that powerhouse. I'm in love with frankincense. Peppermint, I take that in my water daily. It's still wonderful to take in your system. Lavender, marjoram, Roman chamomile. That has a marvelously relaxing attribute and is a powerhouse for emotional well-being as well. Rosemary and wintergreen. So both of them have that wintergreen aroma, which is less of what I'm going to want to put on my wrists if you're anything like me. It's wonderful to put on a sore muscle or where we're tense or tight. And folks who have like a bit of, the head stress going on there, aches and discomfort, then what's so nice with the touch is it's already diluted. You can just use a little bit on your temples, along your neck, along your shoulders, and it helps it to just sink into your system. So today, those are two of the oils that are for the BOGO. And if you're interested, if you don't already have your own account, feel free to private message me and I can help you get set up. And if this is something you're just like, I just want to learn a little bit more about the oils, I'm not ready to get any myself yet, that's fine. That's why I do these lives, just to do a little simple education. This is something where you don't want to just get them on your own, like off of the internet somewhere, and then you get the oil and you look at the bottle and you're like, what do I do with it? That's what I'm here for, to help and support you with empowering education for natural wellness solutions for you and your family. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.